Hello everyone, welcome to Cognitalks. My name is Usha. I'm an RPA developer from Cognitbot Solutions. The live forum is for discussing the RPA challenges and helping RPA community in solving the problems. Today, I came up with a helpful topic of implementing ReFramework in PowerAutomate. As we know, ReFramework is a well-defined structure with proper exception handling incorporated, which actually decreases the development efforts in automation process development. I created the ReFramework in PowerAutomate too to give the same benefits. I am trying to explain a scenario here to explain the ReFramework in PowerAutomate. This is ReFramework in UiPath, which consists of 4 states and 7 transitions. Based on this, I have created a RE framework in PowerAutomate. The flow is like this. As there are states in UiPath, I have created here subflows, init, get transaction, process transaction, and process. Mark system exception, business exception is to write the exceptions. Here I have taken one scenario. My scenario is I have taken one Excel which consists of data, cash in, honest check, not honest check. If all the fields are present, it must write completed successfully. If any field is empty, then it must throw business exception. While process is going on, if application is closed, then it should throw system exception. This data is to be entered into this retailer application. This is my scenario. Here I have used input variables config as custom object. In it, I have set all the variables. I have launched the input file. I have read the input file, and also I have added one more column as status to this input file and to write the whether it is completed successfully or it has a business exception or system exception. And also I open the application by using run application, then get transaction data. Here I have fetched the data from the input file row by row and then send to the process transaction. In process transaction, the data is entered into any teller application. Here exception handling also done. If any of the field is empty, then it is business exception. If application is not open, then it is system exception. In this way, it will process row by row and then end process. In end process, I closed Excel and also application window that we used. Business exception and system exception is to write the exception in the worksheet. In main, I have integrated all the flows as there in the flows of the RE framework in UiPath. Here on block error. This on block error is nothing but try catch that we use in UiPath. We can write the rules and also we can throw the errors and we can navigate through the flows or subflows by using these labels. And we can go to the next action or beginning of the blocks, or we for the navigation purpose we use this. And I have integrated all the flows. Let me execute the bot. It launched the input file. It opened the AnyTeller application for entering the data. This 14 is nothing but number of rows present in the input file using display message. Here one is the number of row which is processing, and 14 is the total number of rows. If all the fields are present, then it is entered into the application. If any field is empty, it should write business exception. To get the system exception, let's close this application. Here window is not open. All records are completed. All the transactions are completed. Then the bot stops. This is the ReFramework in PowerAutomate. Executing the bot, this is the output. If all the fields are present, then it shows completed successfully. If any field is empty, then it throws business exception. Here in the last column, if all the fields are present and we closed the window purposefully, so we got system exception. This is my scenario of ReFramework in PowerAutomate. For more updates and upcoming live events, follow Cognitalks. Thank you.